Molarity in 1 minute, let's get to it. Let's say if you're cooking up a good soup, and let's say that if it was a little bit too salty for your taste, well then the hopes of having a good soup party is gone. So we can define concentration as a measure of how much of something you have per unit of volume. For example, if you put 300 grams of salt in the container and the pot is 3 liters, the concentration of salt is 100 grams per liter. And in chemistry, it's the exact same thing, except the amount of stuff you have is measured in moles and the volume is measured in liters. Therefore, molarity is just how many moles of, in this case, salt do we have in 1 liter of water. So let's say if I have 3 moles of salt and this is in 1.5 liters of solution, you would just divide these two values and the molarity would be 2. If you wanted to sort of dilute the solution in order to make the soup less salty, well then you would just have to be adding more water, right? The more water you add, the less salty the soup is going to taste, and you're diluting the salt concentration. And the formula for dilution is M1V1 is equal to M2V2. All right, and this is based on the fact that you're just adding more water into the solution. The amount of moles that you have of salt does not change.